Mobility and flexibility in the hips can make it easier to get into more challenging sex positions. Here are 4 exercises that will help you improve hip flexibility and make bedtime more delightful. The quadruped hip opener. You lay face down on your hands and knees. Then you lift your leg to the side up and then around. It's a popular move for opening up the hips. It can also loosen up the adductors and hip joints, which is where it can be a sex exercise as you are increasing the range of motion and can become more flexible with your partner. The rock back. This move begins with a setup where you're positioning yourself, so that your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, and the knees are directly under the hips. With a slight inward curve in your lower back and chin tucked, rock backwards as far as you can. Once you notice your lower back beginning to round, it's time to stop to avoid overdoing it and getting injured. The JJ hip opener. As can be assumed, this sex exercise opens up the hips. To do it, you'll have one leg crossed in front of you and the other leg bent backwards behind you. Then start moving the body up and down. Work on engaging your core and abdominal muscles to better lift yourself up. A strong core will help increase stamina, flexibility and posture. The seated leg raise. The seated leg raise involves sitting upright with both of your legs extended outwards, where you then flex one foot at a time, each at a 90 degrees angle alternating. Avoid any strain in your legs. If you start to feel pain or soreness, then stop. These 4 exercises were tried by many people and it really works. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for future videos.